Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 22nd of November. Well, today is the 17th of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX and this week for the upcoming expiry on the 22nd of November. The max OI level is lower for both PE and TE. That's negative. The quantity is higher for PE. That's negative. Change in percent. I have changed this a little bit. I will have to transfer it over to the Tesla one. I haven't done it yet, but from next week onwards, this will be the case. We can see that the CE has decreased more as a percentage, so that's negative. The short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is extremely high, that's actually negative because it's contrarian. Implied and historical volatility are both higher, that's two negatives. RSI is lower, that's negative. There is a divergence, that's negative. ADX is lower. Is higher, sorry, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. And candlestick is bearish, that's negative. Overall, the new support is 5,850. The previous week's support was 6,000. The new resistance is 5,860, and the previous week's resistance was 6,000. And the prediction is that the S&P 500 will go down this week from the option chain. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.